All right, where are we at? Okay, 2965. Easy, easy, easy. You are given a zero-index 2D integer matrix grid of size n by n, so it's a square matrix, with values in the range 1 to n squared. So each number inside the square array is the actual square. Each integer appears exactly once except a, which appears twice, and b, which is missing. The task is to find the repeating and missing numbers a and b. Uh, 1, 3, 2, 2. Each number is not a square. It's just this notation. Okay, this seems pretty simple. You can keep track of numbers that appear using a set and see if it already appears in the set. And then you can create a set of all the values that should appear and remove them if you see it. Okay, so maybe, okay, this is 5 bits. Appears is equal to empty set, and then and found, actually let's say found is equal to empty set, and then appeared is equal to the set made from a list made from an array where you have I for I in range of, should be 1 to n squared plus 1. N squared plus 1, so that should be correct values where n is equal to the length of the grid, one dimension of the grid, which should be equal to the other dimension of the grid. Okay. So for every row in the grid, and for every value in that row, we'll say found. If the value isn't found, then that's the repeated number. So that'd be like 2 or 9. So we'll say answer is equal to a array, and this will be to the answer. Otherwise, well, regardless, we'll need to add the value to the found set. Alright. On the other hand, if we see that the value, so we need to remove the value from the list that appeared. Appeared.remove value. I think remove is, there's like 2 different forms of removal in a set for Python. There's like remove and discard or delete. Python delete, remove, set. Which one is which? Remove an item or discard. Just move here. So we use discard because this can possibly be discarded twice if it was the repeat item. Discard the value. And then whatever is remaining and appeared should be the thing that was never deleted, that never appeared. So how do you get the, I think you just can convert a set to a list. Okay, so answer.append list of the list from this value, the first element of it. I think that syntax is correct. List values, not how do you get an arbitrary value from a set? Arbitrary elements. Oh, I can do set.pop. So that didn't really help. But we did list. This is here. Oh, whoops. God damn. This is the set of appeared. Okay. Okay. 9 milliseconds. I wonder, was there a more ideal way of doing this? Let me think. I'm pretty sure using the set for identifying your found is fine. I guess you can just, a set is slightly bigger than an array of booleans. So I could do something where you have false times the length of the array times n squared. And then you just use if the bound for this value minus 1 is true, then answer.append this value. And then you always will set the bound to be true. Bound value minus 1 to not go out of bounds. Okay, I think that would work to at least, because in theory arrays are going to be more compact than a set, which is basically a hash map. Not hash map, but like it can take a large amount of size to store. Okay, so it's slightly faster. Can I do something about the appeared? So the appeared. Not really. This one I think is kind of need the random structure. If you can beat that, I'm not sure how. Let's go. Okay, let's see. So they kept it in the grid. Or so they didn't even create, well, they did create an array here. What is this code doing? This is iterating through this stuff again. Oh, okay. They went through it twice and they looked up. Okay, they just went through it twice. This is just a one-pass solution. Okay, whatever.